Hello, my fellow vacuum cleanerists, if that even makes sense. This is all. Well, one's missing. 6 out of my 7. Oh, that's not even exactly that. 6 of my 7 vacuum. Oh, 6 out of my 7 vacuum cleaners that I own in my collection. Let's start off with this boy. Little boy. Small boy. It's the appliances plus a lot of you have seen this. The one that I found in my neighbour's skip. My mum gave it to me. Yeah, it works, but yeah, it works. But indeed, the fan is very off balance, as you can see here. From what I've seen through the camera, you can see that. So, say if you can't see that, please leave in the comment section. Call me a spaz. There's that. So next up, we have the Belgian 2-in-1 stick back, a little £20 thing that I bought from Wilco's. There you go, 5-star reviews. Very good. Yeah, I bought one because why not? Can't go wrong. I had about 40 quid in my hand, so I bought one. This works. My little modification failed. I need to see so that's fine. There's the Smart Price ECB. 001B, yeah, I've still got that, even though it doesn't work. It's got no motor in it or cable, as you can see there, no motor. Got the hose, and that's all that came with it. Probably needs to go back. We'll find more of it. Why does that go so big? Yeah, it's a little Breeze Evo, but no, it's clogged up with plaster dust. Poor sod. It is now. Still not completely empty, but I've took the exhaust filter out, and that's. I think my mum was bin that. Took one of the diffusers out, and now it should just blow all the dust out. I know you start learning a bit about that, but vacuums with no post-motor filters do last longer. Indeed, with ones with post-motor filters. Got a block nose there. This still works. That didn't power up properly for a minute. Fuzz. Don't know, that does smell quite nice with air freshener. The Turbo Max, you've all seen that, it still works. Yeah, there's the glorious £40 upright, and it's doing that. It's not doing it. That has now not got a exhaust filter. Or it's not just not got an exhaust filter on it because it was full of dust. That's why I just abused that. Here is the turbo power, which we've only seen once from the video of that. And this is going to be one that this video is more about. So, open up. There's the bin. Jesus Christ, that's heavy. A little filter in there, but it's literally welded shut, so I can't get that open. Let's open the post-motor filter. Let's let it blow out itself. In my opinion, that does sound like a Dyson Randy K. You can see the motor sparking. Can't see it sparking. It usually sparks when you turn it on like a DC-24 does. Or any other vacuum, or most other vacuum cleaners. That goes in there, there's a little post filter. There's the bin. I like the Breeze. It's got a stretch hose, a farty hose, which I never used it, and the scabbard tool. But this and silly things stuck in there. This and that, and the whirlwind that I had in a sold. They came from the same house. Shoot, sucks on. This is proper booming. Like this is the 750 watt model. Because a lot of you, I don't know how many of you know this, but this model's been around for ages. Open, work. Decent amount. I hope. No, it's got. Oh, there we go. 750 watts. So now. Stay on. You're fast enough. That didn't work. I thought it might have. All the neighbours are all looking at me, thinking, what the hell? So there's all my vacuums. I might as well turn them all on at the same time. My neighbours in bed before this, but why not?